Welcome students. Today we are going to learn standard 9th subject Science and Technology part 2 lesson number 9 Environmental Management. Before starting the topic, let us revise how does the atmosphere affect our daily life. The climate surrounding us has great impact on our life, our diet, clothing, festivals, health, lifestyle, etc. all are related to the climatic conditions around us, and weather forecast gives information about weather and climate. So let us learn about weather and climate. Weather can be defined as the atmospheric conditions at a particular place at a specific time. Weather is short-term conditions of the atmosphere and it depends upon the prevailing conditions of the air, while climate is a long-term pattern of weather conditions taken over a period of time, say 30 years, for a particular region. The weather of a particular region keeps changing every day depending on temperature, rainfall, and wind conditions, but the climate would show the long term behavior of the weather in the region. Weather forecast predicts about weather or climate by evaluating different factors like temperature, atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, and visibility. Now let's learn changes in weather. Climate does not change continuously. It is same for a long duration at a particular region. Changes in weather may occur for short periods of time, whereas changes in the climate takes place slowly over a much long duration. Let's learn role of climate in our daily life. Climate plays important role in our day-to-day life. The basic needs such as food, clothing and shelter. Then our occupations, agriculture and cropping pattern and constructions. All are related to the climatic conditions. During construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges and skyscrapers, etc., various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc., are taken into consideration. 23rd March is observed as World Meteorological Day. Now we'll look upon how the climate is being studied. Most of the countries have established meteorology departments and observatories for making the recordings and observations on climatic variations. They are well equipped with modern instruments and technology. They study the earlier observations and other aspects of climate to forecast the future conditions. As climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting becomes very complicated and difficult. Forecasting can be easy for places where climatic changes are slow and of a limited nature, while forecasting can be very difficult for the places where climatic changes are complex, interdependent, and rapid. Weather forecasting is done under the branch meteorology. The meteorology is the science dealing with the interrelationships between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth. It includes study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunders and lightning, etc. The information about weather from meteorological department is very useful to common people, farmers, fisheries, aviation services, water transport and various other organizations. Now we will learn in detail about meteorological work done in India. The Indian Meteorological Department was founded by the British in 1875 at Shimla. Its head office is at Pune and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and Delhi. It involves the work of preparing and publishing maps twice in every 24 hours. Also, in this institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects like the instruments used for taking climatic readings, predictions about climate made using radar, predictions about climate related to seismology, then predictions regarding rainfall by satellites and air pollution, etc. The meteorological department provide important information regarding weather and climatic conditions to the departments like aviation, shipping, agriculture, irrigation, marine oil exploration and production, etc. Also, it helps by giving weather forecast to citizens and other through communication media, sending warnings about approaching natural calamities like dust storms, sandstorms, heavy rainfall, hot and cold waves, and tsunami, etc. Launching high class technology satellites and analyzing the information received from these satellites in observatories are also the work performed by Indian Meteorological Department. Thank you.